Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Anyway, I have a special coin to feature and quite a lot to talk about, but I'm going to make it really brief. I've been on with Mr. Zeke, who is he's been very helpful along with Backyard Bullion, and I've been using, I'm going to have to pull out for a moment. I've been using a torch to heat up things on various levels. Sorry for the quick movements here. That is fine. It's good to get a nice heat pattern on my molds. But I've gone and I've bought I'm going to zoom out here. The Benzomatic. This is the one that can do freestanding and 360 degrees, so that I can really heat my molds up much better than I have been. So I'm looking forward to giving that a try. I just need to buy the right map gas for that. Anyway, for the first time in a while, I actually get to talk about and show you guys one of the coins. Now, I'm not going to pull it out of, well, you'll see in a minute, but it's in a sleeve, sadly. I prefer them to always be cased, but I've picked up my second in the series of 5 so far, I believe. And this one is the Bull of Clarence. So this is the Queen's Beast 2-ounce Bull of Clarence. And I'm in my workshop, as you guys know, because my wife is still decorating the house. Yeah, I'm really impressed. I'm sorry that there's a tape mark, or there's tape here. As I said, I need to get a proper case for it. But this coin is amazing. So I now have the Bull, and I have, oh, what's the other one? I forgot, but I have 2 of them now. I need to get the Unicorn, the Griffin, and oh, this is one more. Sorry, I am losing the will to live here. And the Dragon. So, those are my next 3 that I will be buying for myself. And I'm quite pleased about that. And I just really wanted to make a quick video, show off something that I really have been meaning to show off. And, yeah, I'm quite pleased. So, although I've been focusing a lot on getting the right gear, the right setup for my pours, because the pours here, these things are like very thick. So to give you an idea, and they take a while to heat up. You have to get them extremely hot. And Mr. Zeke, who has experience with the exact same molds, knows and has done a heck of a lot, with them. So he's kindly offered a ton of advice. But there you go. There's my my Black Bull of Clarence. It's a 2-ounce Queen's Beast, and 5-pound face value. And yeah, I'm quite pleased. So anyway, stick around. You're gonna like the next video. Well, I hope you're gonna like the next video, because I'm looking forward to it. It's an unboxing from another pour. I don't know what's in it. And for the record, head over to the Silver Forum. Right now there's multiple things going on. There is a charity event and a raffle. There's also the large group order that we're going to be doing. So head on over, make sure that you subscribe, become a member there. And there's also the Christmas it's not a Secret Santa, it's going to be a Christmas raffle. Everyone's going to win something. And I'll tell you what, there are some fantastic prizes. So you definitely want to be involved there. So, right. Have a great day, guys, and thank you for watching. Bye.